Hello everyone, today I'm going to discuss about the posters. What are posters? Posters are large, visually engaging and sometimes digital notices. They are written in block letters, capital letters. They are making people aware and sometimes giving messages and always displayed at the public places. We see different types of posters. The posters can be political, social, educational, events, fashion, and movies. So we can see different types of posters. So the first example of the poster I'm giving you, design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of books and good reading habits. You may use slogans. So how we will write it? We have to write at the top the books our best friends, and at left side we write books inform, instruct, delight and reach, and at the center we can make a picture of the book. Then at the right side we can write phrase, take a book a day, don't delay. And also here is written, make reading a regular habit. After that, we write, when you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. Don't judge a book by its cover. Read it. Reading makes a ready man. So this is the poster. Poster should be in also box. So this is the first example. Now this is the second example I'm giving you. As the manager of Excellent Coaching Center run by you, prepare a poster calling the attention of students desirous of attending IIT CPMT coaching to join your coaching center. So how we start this? सबसे पहले ऊपर at the top Excellent Coaching Center, then address, then commencement of fresh batch for IIT CPMT and other competitive exams. Registration begins May 15, 2000 and then enroll early. Then we can make a good picture of anything if you have, and otherwise though you can write special features, specialist faculty, excellent study material, personal attention, reasonable fees, periodic tests and assessments. After that we can write our 10 students topped in IIT CPMT GMAT, limited seats, contact Dr. A.N. Bose, director, phone number such and such. Then one more example I'm giving you. The Directorate of Education Orissa State is organizing an essay contest for all the students of the state. Prepare a suitable poster which can be sent to different schools for display on their notice board. So how we write this, how we design this poster, let me tell you. At the top, at the center, the Directorate of Education, then Government of Orissa, is organizing an essay contest for all the students of the state, subject conservation of energy. Then length of essay up to 1000 words, language Oriya or English, last date 10th November such and such. Then send your entries to the Directorate of Education, Government of Orissa, Cuttack, and at the right side win 10 attractive prizes and commendation certificates. So these are some examples of the poster. I think you remember and read these posters and then message me if you have any query. Meet me in the next video.